Looking for a simple way to manage your home service business? Housecall Pro is the solution. It's a powerful software designed to streamline your operations and help you run your business more efficiently. But what exactly is Housecall Pro and why is it so popular? Let's dive in. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one field service management software. Whether you're running an HVAC company, a plumbing business, or any other type of service-based operation, Housecall Pro allows you to manage everything from scheduling appointments to sending invoices and processing payments, all from your phone or computer. With Housecall Pro, you get a set of tools to make your business run smoother, starting with scheduling. Gone are the days of managing appointments on paper or relying on messy spreadsheets. With this software, you can easily schedule jobs, assign them to team members, and send reminders to both your customers and your crew, all with just a few clicks. But Housecall Pro doesn't stop there. It's packed with features to help you stay organized and professional. You can create customizable invoices and estimates, and even accept payments right on site. This is a huge benefit for businesses who want to get paid fast and keep the cash flow moving smoothly. What really sets Housecall Pro apart is its customer management system. You can track customer interactions, create service histories, and even send automated reminders for recurring services. This allows you to build stronger relationships with your clients, improving retention and increasing repeat business. For your team, Housecall Pro makes it easy to communicate, manage tasks, and keep everyone on the same page. You can assign jobs to specific technicians, track their progress, and even monitor real-time job status updates. This transparency helps ensure your team is efficient and accountable. Housecall Pro also integrates with a variety of other business tools, making it easy to sync your data with accounting software, CRMs, and other services you may already be using. This flexibility means you don't have to disrupt your entire workflow to take advantage of Housecall Pro's benefits. One of the most exciting things about Housecall Pro is its mobile app, which lets you run your business on the go. Whether you're in the office or out in the field, you'll have access to all the important information you need right at your fingertips. Now, if you're wondering about pricing, Housecall Pro offers several packages to suit different business needs, from solo entrepreneurs to larger teams. And the best part? You can get started with an exclusive free trial. And we've got a special bonus for you if you sign up using the link below. So, if you're looking to save time, increase efficiency, and improve your customer service, Housecall Pro is definitely worth considering. Don't forget, the first link in the description gets you access to the software with our exclusive extended free trial, which gives you more time to explore all the features it has to offer. Give it a try and see for yourself how Housecall Pro can help take your business to the next level.